Alright guys, so I'm gonna be showing you hidden PS5 features that you probably don't know about, and I think 90% of the PS5 users doesn't even know that these features exist in their PS5, and some of these are actually gonna blow your mind because when I found out I was really surprised. And all of these features are gonna be for the latest PS5s as well, the slim one and the pro ones. So I'm gonna be showing you, and I'm also gonna be showing you how you can enable these features. Like I've shown you RGB effects, and there's a lot of stuff. So the first one is actually gonna literally blow your mind. So you guys know there's a device called PS5 Media Remote. What if I tell you you already have that in your home and you don't even know about it? And yeah, that is true, and I'm talking about your TV remote. So as you can see, I'm controlling my PS5 with my TV remote, and you can turn any TV remote into a media controller for your PS5. And the best thing is a lot of TVs are now Android TVs, and if you don't even have an Android TV, it's gonna work, but it has to be a smart TV. So how you can enable this, it's pretty simple. First thing is you need to have a smart TV. If you have an Android TV, that's gonna be even better, but any TV would work as long as it's a smart TV. So first of all, you're gonna have to go to settings into your PS5, go to system, go to HDMI, and enable this setting called enable HDMI device link. So HDMI device link, once you enable that, you're gonna have to go to your TV settings. But right now I can already control my PS5 with the TV remote because the setting I'm gonna tell you is already enabled. So go to your TV input settings, and once you're into input settings, you're gonna have to enable this HDMI control. It says allow the TV to control HDMI devices. So your PS5 is basically an HDMI device. So once you enable this specific setting, what's gonna happen is you will be able to control your PS5 with your TV remote. And if you're watching Netflix, if you just wanna scroll through your console, I don't know for what reason, whatever reason you have, you can use your TV remote as a media control device for your PS5. So it's gonna save you a lot of money, because if you want to buy the media remote for PS5, you'll have to pay for it. But with these settings, you can actually use your TV remote that you already have as a media remote for your PS5. And also guys, if you're building a high performance PC, you need to have a fast and reliable RAM. And right now AliExpress has an amazing deal on G-Skill Trident Z RGB DDR4 RAM. This memory not only looks incredible with its vibrant RGB lighting, but it also delivers top tier performance for gaming and content creation. And you guys know Trident Z is one of the best RAM out there. So whether you need 16 GB or 32 GB at 3200 MHz or even 3600 MHz, this RAM has you covered. Plus with the exclusive discount, you're getting it at the best price available all over the internet. So click in the link in the description and upgrade your RAM right now or your gaming setup. And these discount codes in the description also works on all the other tech items that are available on AliExpress. And now the next one is actually one of my favorite one, because you can have custom wallpaper into your PS5. So you guys know PS4 have that option, but PS5 does not have that, right? But let me tell you, it is there, and you have to actually do that using a PC. So first of all, you're gonna have to pick an image that you want as your wallpaper onto your PS5. So in my case, I'm using this cat picture. And then once you have that picture, you need to have a USB drive, and then you're gonna have to make a folder called PS5 and just follow the on-screen instructions, and then you're gonna have to copy that image in that folder. So make sure you have that image into your USB drive and into this exact folder as I'm showing you right now. So once you have that picture into your USB, you're gonna have to go to your PS5 and plug the USB into your PS5. And now here's what you gotta do. Go to welcome screen, it should be there into your PlayStation 5 home screen. Go to this change background, and then you're gonna have to go to media gallery, and that will be right here. So you're gonna have to first go to media gallery, go to USB, and then you're gonna have to find the image that you have copied. take a screenshot of it into your PS5, and once you have a screenshot of that picture from your USB into your PS5, now go to change background, go to media gallery, and you will find that image right there. And there you go, I have successfully added a custom wallpaper into my PS5. Real simple and really mind-blowing that you have this option and no one tells you about that. And now the last one is how to get the RGB effect into your PS5 controller. Yeah, it is true, you can actually have an RGB effect into your PS5 controller, like rainbow effects. You can have multiple effects, you can have custom colors, mix of other colors, and whatever you need basically, you can have that into your PS5 controller. As you can see, mine is currently in a rainbow, but you can have any color that you want, multiple colors at once if you want. So what you need is you need to have a PC for this. So what you need in your PC is an app called DS4. But let me show you the effects right now, then I'll show you how to actually get this. You see how I'm getting the pulsing effect of the RGB light on the PS5 DualSense controller. So there we go. So what you need is this software called DS4 Windows. I know it says DS4, but it's gonna be working with the DualSense controller as well. So what you need is you have to connect the controller, and you're gonna have to download this software and the config files. All of these files are in my Discord server. Link is gonna be in the description to get these files. So as you can see, my PS5 is working. It is connected to my PS5. I'm gonna turn off the device, and now once it's connected to the PC, it will show up as the device right here. So remember, you're gonna have to get the config file and the software all on my Discord server, and you can also download it from their official website called DS4. And then you're gonna have to go to controller, choose the light, and select RGB. And I have all the config files in my software loaded. So you just wanna have to pick however you want. I clicked on rainbow, and it's gonna show you as the PS4 controller. Don't worry about it. And the best part is this also works with the PS4 controller. So if you want to do that with the PS4 controller, but I'm doing it with the PS5 controller since it's the latest controller. And now you can see after loading into the config files, I can change the color of whatever I want. But if you want to get the RGB effect, the config file is in my Discord server. You can download it from there, simply load it up, and your controller is gonna start having the RGB effect. It kind of looks cool if you're just playing random games and it's just glowing. Or you can also do one thing, you can turn off the lights completely as well if you want to. So this is how it's gonna look, and you can do it with your PS4 controller as well. And let me know if you guys knew any of these PS5 hidden features. If you don't, you guys can try it out right now and let me know your experience in the comment section. So this is Super C Tech, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.